Good evening, Fort Wayne and Northeast Indiana. I'm forecaster Nicholas Dunn here with a look at your forecast for today, June 20th, 2017. We started out pretty nice for much of our region today, and now that has ended with some rain showers and even a couple thunderstorms across the area, so be careful if you're heading out there to see. You might have to dodge a few of those. Let's look at the radar right now so we can show you what's going on with our temperatures and rain. You can see Fort Wayne down to Kokomo getting on some of the rain now. Also a little rain falling around Warsaw. Also up towards Montpelier and even into Hillsdale, Michigan as well. Temperatures kind of vary. We're seeing mid-60s across our northern counties, 66 in South Bend, 64 over in Elkhart, 66 in Auburn and in Defiance. But to the south, we're still seeing it 79 as of the last observation at Kokomo, 77 in Marion, 75 in Lima, and a 77 there in the St. Mary's area. So this rain is working its way to the south and east, so our southeastern counties will be getting on the rain soon, but it should clear out by 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock. So we'll continue to see the rain clear out. We'll continue to track it for you. But right now, we also want to turn our attention to Tropical Storm Cindy. For those who may have interest along the Gulf Coast, we're watching. There she is. She is churning like butter, as I was just talking to your forecaster, John Tinney, about this. Main impacts to the north and east. If you know anybody down on the Gulf Coast, make sure that you're checking in on them to make sure they're doing okay. Lots of heavy rain, isolated tornadoes, and gusty winds and flooding will be the main concerns. It's slowly going to start to make its way off to the northwest. In fact, let's look at the National Hurricane Center's cone. As you can see, by Thursday morning, it is approaching the coastline. Tropical storm warnings in effect from Houston over towards New Orleans. And by the time you get into Friday afternoon, it is made from a northwest turn to a northeast turn. We expect it to kind of get caught up with a cold front and high pressure system. It'll start to work its way into our neck of the woods and should start to drive this thing up towards the east. But it may come close. We may see some impacts, particularly on Friday, across our neck of the woods. So we'll continue to watch that. But right now across Fort Wayne, we have light rain in 64, gusty north wind out of the north at 12 miles an hour. Winds have been gusting 25 to 30 at times. Dew point at 56. Humidity is up there this evening at 75%. And visibility is slightly reduced with the rainfall at 6 miles. If you have overnight plans tonight across Fort Wayne, rain will continue, at least here in the Fort Wayne metro, through about 10 o'clock or so. We're thinking we'll be down to about 62 by then. And then we should start to slowly clear. By 4 in the morning, we're down into the upper 50s and light winds tonight after this rain passes by. So it should be pretty comfortable if you're heading out and about tonight, if you have any kind of outdoor activities. We drop down to 57 for an overnight low tonight. Scattered rain early will be clearing late. Winds out of the north will start out about 3 to 12 miles per hour. They should start to die down, though, as the system passes by. Tomorrow looking absolutely gorgeous with a high of 83. Warm and mostly sunny winds be coming out of the north and northeast at 2 to 6 after starting out calm in the morning. Looking at your 5-day forecast across northeast Indiana, we're tracking a chance for thunderstorms on Thursday, isolated, at least in some of that maybe from actually Tropical Storm Cindy, high in the upper 80s, lows right around 70. Friday looking like a good bet for showers and storms, highs in the lower 80s. For Saturday, look at the text here. We get a break from the rain. When's the last time we had that across this area? Highs in the upper 70s both days this weekend, and lows in the 50s. UV index starting high, breaking for a little bit on Friday, and we're back into the 8s by Saturday and Sunday, so don't forget to apply that sunscreen. I'm forecaster Nicholas Dunn. Thanks for checking in with us here on Facebook for this latest forecast video. We'll keep you posted on Tropical Storm Cindy and a chance for rain this week right here on Northeast India and Northwest Ohio Weather Center and Ohio News and Weather. Have a good evening, everybody.